Hello everyone, let me first give an overview of what exactly this project does. Whenever the developers are ready with any new feature or functionality to be added in their project, they need to commit changes locally in their system, and then they integrates it with some central repository. Later the testing team tests it manually, and if they found everything correct they delivers it to client, and once the client is happy there is need for adding new functionalities in the project. It takes place continuously till the complete project is ready. These all are some of the important steps involved in DevOps. We also call it as continuous integration and continuous delivery. But when we perform same manually there are lots of human error involved, like when developer commits locally he need to integrate it with central repository, which sometimes become donkey work. Also whenever the update is performed in central remote repository, testing team continuously need to track it, where they waste too much time in tracking. I have automated the complete process from local commit to delivery to client side. I am using GitHub as central remote repository and Git for managing the project locally. I am using Jenkins on top of Docker, even these two servers, one for automatic testing and another server for client's project delivery, are running on the top of Docker. Now listen carefully. I am using Jenkins for managing this complete automation. Whenever the developer commits locally using Git, Git automatically uploads the code on GitHub. Once GitHub receives the update it triggers Jenkins, then Jenkins' first job will put the code on the testing container. Another job of Jenkins perform testing on the code in the same container. Later if the current job that is our testing is successful, one more another job makes same changes on client side called as delivery. If the testing fails, developer receives the email regarding the error. And client enjoys with whatever he had before. Now let's observe the practical. I will be using Gitkraken as my local repository. It is same as Git, but the difference is one can manage every Git command using GUI. This is my local repository. .git folder confirms same. Consider .php file as my simple project, and following are the contents of the same. A simple PHP. This is the centralized remote GitHub repository, which is connected with all the developers working for any project. You can see the contents now are same. This is my client-side web page and is currently running on a separate individual server. It is the same PHP page which we just saw. Now I will update some PHP code and we'll see if it automatically reflects everywhere or not. I am adding my city name there in between. Now we are committing the changes locally on our system. As a developer, we need to stage it and then add a commit message. You will understand it if you have used GitHub and Git before. Everyone needs it in the software world. This post commit line appears as we have automated our Gitkraken to reflect changes of local system to GitHub. We can see same changes on GitHub repository too, as I said before. As soon as GitHub report updates in the repository it informs Jenkins, and Jenkins runs all the jobs we wrote. These are the same jobs which I explained you initially with the diagram. You can now see the jobs running one after another as I have chained them. These are the history of jobs. After refresh we can see how our jobs performed. Now I will refresh the client's page and you can see my city name added as developer made changes before few seconds. Check my mailbox, as there was no error in my code, I didn't receive any mail regarding error. Now we will be adding some error and few more lines. I added my state name and making changes in print keyword, which will automatically notify developer about the error after testing phase. Now we will commit the changes locally as we did before, watch. See, my job 1 starts automatically. It will pull the updated GitHub repository and will upload on the testing server running on the top of my Docker image. Note, I am not clicking any of them, just showing where are they. Now this is my job 2, which is performing testing of my PHP code, and it will fail now and will notify developer on his email. As it will fail, it won't update client side. You can see the new email, check the current and received time. The mail shows error message, which is reported by my automatic testing setup, and note, it is completely automatic. My client's page, no change there. My client's page, no change there. Now we will remove error and will repeat same again. Let's view logs this time. Hooks does the automation for us. That upload the changes to GitHub after a local commit, no need to push. Look, Hooks uploaded same code for us. Look, Hooks uploaded same code for us. One can also compare our current and last code on GitHub. You can see when our jobs were active, some 10 seconds and so on. Now after refreshing the client's page, you can see updated page, state name is now in. This is how we automated our system for automatic testing and then delivery accordingly. Thank you for watching.